A wet wipes production line can produce tens of thousands of packs of wet wipes every day, helping businesses quickly increase production capacity and capture market opportunities. From household cleaning and baby care to food service disinfection and medical hygiene, wet wipes are becoming part of more and more daily life scenarios. With the continuous growth of market demand, high efficiency and stable automated production equipment has become an important choice for businesses to expand production capacity. This fully automatic wet wipes production line is specially designed for large-scale production of multi-piece wet wipes. The machine is suitable for nonwoven wet wipes production and supports the processing of products with different sizes and liquid types, from raw material folding and cutting to liquid adding, packaging, sealing, and cutting. Meeting the market demand for high-quality wet wipes products, the production speed can reach 60 to 80 packs per minute. We specialize in the research, development, and manufacturing of customized automation machinery, providing customers with stable and reliable production solutions.